Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Micks Mowers, and today's episode we're going to be trying to find a grass box for this Hayter Mosfit 48. I did a video a little while ago. It's got a little Honda engine on the top, nice sort of mower but no grass bag. Coming as a really cheap job lot part, but without a grass box it ain't never going to sell. So I did a video on it, as I said. That's in the top right hand corner now, check that out. So what I'm going to do today, I put some requests out on my local selling sites on my channel to see if anyone's got one. People have been sending me links, this, that and the other, but as of yet, nothing's come up. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty and let's see if we can't find a little grass box for this Hayter Mosfit 48. Right, let's make a start. Who's going to ring up first? Let's give this fella a quick bell. Where is he? Here he is.
Oh man, must be another movie producer. Let's see what's going on here. Hello.
Hello Bruce, how you doing buddy? It's Mick.
Mick! Well, how's it going, man?
Yeah, mate, I ain't doing too bad. I'm on a bit of a scrounge actually, buddy. I'm after a grass box for a Hayter Mosfit 48. You ain't got one, mate. Have you knocked about in the old store somewhere?
A what? Oh, a Hayter Mosfit 48. You want a grass box? Is that right?
That's right, mate. Yeah, grass box. Yeah, grass box.
Oh, we call those bags here. Yeah. No, I don't think I have anything in the shed at all. You might have to give Zippo a ring. He might be able to help you out.
Oh, Zippo, you reckon give him a bell? I know he's been off with a bad shoulder recently, so I don't think he's up and about, but I'll try and give him a bell. What do you reckon?
Although he's got a lot of stuff. Okay, my friend. And by the way, maybe you should tidy up that toolbox a little bit. You might be able to get it done a little quicker.
Right, yeah, your toolbox, yeah, Bruce. Toolbox is been tidied, mate. Yeah, fully. I've redone the whole lot, mate. Yeah. All right, buddy. I'll give Zippo a ring, eh? Cheers, buddy. Bye.
Anyway, good luck on your grass box hunt. Okay, my friend. Bye.
So I know Zippo ain't been very well recently, so he's had his shoulder done, hasn't he? But he might be about. Let's give him a quick bell. It's ringing.
Hello?
Zippo, my old buddy boy, how you doing?
Mick, you have any idea what time it is?
Any idea what time it is? Hang on. Yeah, 12:30 here, mate. 12:30. About lunchtime.
It's 5:37 a.m. here.
5:37 a.m. What are you doing answering the phone, man? You should be in bed, eh, bruv? Here, I need your help.
What do you need?
Yeah, I'm after a grass box for a Hayter 48 Mosfit. I know you don't generally do a lot of push stuff. Just wondering if you have one knocking about the old store like.
A grass box for a hater? I don't hate any push mowers as long as I'm not the one that has to push them. But no, we don't have the same kinds around here as you have over there. Besides, it'd be a fortune to ship it to you.
Yeah, I hadn't thought about the old shipping costs actually. Alright mate, no worries.
Hey, while I got you on the line, why don't are you out in the shed?
No, I'm in the old Mower store at the moment, mate. Well, what's that?
Well, next time you go out there, you should tidy up that toolbox of yours.
Oh right, yeah. Well, like I told Bruce, it's I've done it, mate. It's all been done. Yeah, tidied right up, mate. In fact, I might leave it like it. Yeah, everything's where it should be.
All right. Well, good luck with the grass box hunt. I hope you can get it. All right. I'll holler at you later, mate.
Yeah. All right. Cheers, buddy. Charge, Zip. Yeah. Why don't you go back to bed, Zip? After all, it's all quite early in the morning. Have another cup of coffee.
Bye. Called me at 5:38 in the morning. No sense. No sense at all. What's a hater? If we had a mower over here named a Hayter, nobody'd buy it. Hayter means something totally different here. You must be a hater. She's a hater. That's a hater. I don't get it. I'm not even awake yet. Just got started on my first cup of coffee. He's got to call me like that.
Right, no good over with Zippo then. I know. I'll try Martin Butler from Retorestore. He'll have one, definitely. He's got a polytunnel absolutely full of mowers. Where's Martin? Here he is. Let's give him a quick little bell. He'll have one. He'll have one, definitely. Ring him.
Oh. Hello?
Hello, Martin. How you doing, bruv? Yeah, it's Mick over at old Micks Mowers.
Hello, Micks Mowers. How are you, mate? All right? Need my help? Yeah. What's the problem, mate?
Yeah, got a slight problem over here, bruv. I'm after a grass box for a Hayter, but it's a Hayter Mosfit 48. I don't suppose you got one there knocking about in the old shed somewhere, or has Gary got one maybe? Could you have a little look for us, mate?
You need a grass bag for a Hayter Mosfit 48? I don't think so, but I'll have a quick look. Hold on. Nah, sorry, mate. All out of grass boxes at the moment. Try the Mower man. He might be able to help you. He's got loads of bits and bobs about. Oh, by the way, Mick, don't you think it's about time you clean that toolbox out? It's in a terrible state.
Yeah, mate. Honestly, I was just telling Bruce earlier on. I've done the toolbox, mate. It's all sorted out. Trust me. It's all sorted. Try the Mower man. I ain't thought of him. I'll give your Mower man a bell. Cheers, and Martin. Have a good day, mate. Take it easy.
See you later, bud. Bye for now. Oh. Unbelievable.
Tidy my toolbox up. What's about the old toolbox keeps going on? Right, let's give the old Mower man a quick bell. He'd be up. Same time zone. Bad line.
Hello? Sorry? Who is it?
Mower man, how you doing? It's Micks Mowers. Micks Mowers. How you doing, mate? You alright?
Mick? Ah, Mick at Micks Mowers. Yeah, I'm alright, Mick. I've just got a minute to talk. Yeah, I'm just in my mower cave at the minute. I'm just making profit from WD-40 and new spark plugs, mate. Yeah, I'm fine, mate. What can I do for you?
The old profit from the old WD and the old spark plugs. I'm in the same game, mate. Plenty of WD-40, plenty of spark plugs, yeah, plenty of that. All it is, I spoke to a few other people and I'm trying to find a grass box for a Hayter Mosfit 48. No one's got one nowhere. I reckon they're obsolete now. I just can't get hold of them. I don't suppose you've got one knocking about some of you, buddy.
A grass box? For a Hayter 48 Mosfit? No, mate, I've only got this WD-40 and these spark plugs, mate. I've got nothing else at all. Tell you what, mate, give that Taryl a ring. Yeah, he'll have something. Give him a bell, mate.
Give Taryl a ring? I hadn't thought of that. I might give Taryl a quick bell then. I've got his number somewhere, I'm sure I have.
Yeah, I can't be long either because my dinner's nearly ready. Yeah, no problem, mate. Right, yeah. If I get one in, I'll give you a bell back, pal. Is that all right? Yeah.
Anyway, I hope your dinner's nice. I'll talk to you soon, buddy, yeah?
Hey, I tell you what, mate. Are you going to tidy that toolbox up or what?
I've already told everyone else. She's already tidied. I've told everybody already. They keep picking on me about my toolbox. What's up with that?
Hey, mate, come on. There's no need for that, is there?
Yeah, all right, buddy boy. No worries. You're going to have dinner and I'll talk to you soon. Take it easy, buddy.
Yeah, no worries, pal. Yeah, I've got to go because my dinner's ready. Yeah, see ya. See you, pal.
Right, contacts. Grass Rat's Garage. Taryl, where is he? Here he is. This is going to cost me a fortune. Ring him.
Grass Rat's Garage, Junior here. How can I help you?
Junior, how you doing, buddy? It's Micks Mowers over in the UK. How you going?
Oh, Micks Mowers. Hey, what's going on, Mick? What you looking for?
Right, so I'm looking for a grass box, or you might call them bags over there, for a Hayter Mosfit 48. I know you've got loads of machines in. I don't suppose you've got one knocking about the place, have you, mate?
Grass box? For a Hayter Mosfit 48? Never heard of it. Let me see if the old man's ever heard of it.
You haven't heard of it? Alright, yeah, get the old man on your phone then. The old man's coming. Here comes Taryl. He'll have one for sure.
Hold on a sec. All right, hold on. Taryl, phone's for you. Taryl here. Who is this?
Taryl, me old fruit. It's Mick over in the UK. Micks from Micks Mowers. How you doing, buddy?
Mick? Oh, hey Mick. How's everything over there in jolly old England?
Everything's going alright over here, Governor. Thank you very much for asking the question. Here, you couldn't help me out, could you? I'm looking out for a Hayter Mosfit 48 grass box. You ain't got one knocking about the old shop of it, mate, or hidden somewhere to one side.
You're looking for a what? A Muffkin 48?
No, not a muffkin. A Mosfit.
Oh, a Mosfit 48. Looking for a grass box? No, I ain't got one of them.
Ah, you ain't got one? I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll have to think of someone else.
Try Pete Froud.
Try Pete Froud? Well, he's over in the UK. I'll give him a bell. Alright, lovely. Cheers, buddy. What's that?
Oh, and the Queen called me, and she wants to know if you ever cleaned out that toolbox.
The Queen rang? Yeah. All under control, mate. Toolbox tidied right up, no problems at all. Ready for inspection. Well, love to talk to Taryl. I'll talk to you soon, buddy boy. Look after yourself.
Okay, tally ho, mate.
Did he say he needed a Hayter Mosfit 48 grass box? I had 2 of those in my garage. Just tossed them out last week. They've been in there forever. Wish he would have called a little earlier. Oh well.
Will this thing ever start? I'll have to ring Micks Mowers one day and ask him to fix it for me. Hello?
Hello, Pete. How you doing? Yeah, it's Mick. Mick at Micks Mowers. Yeah, how you doing?
Oh, hello Mick, how you doing? What you broke this time?
Yeah, I'm on a scrounge, Pete. I don't suppose you've got a Hayter Mosfit 48 grass box, have you, mate, knocking about in the old shed?
Oh, what are you looking for, Mick? Oh, Hayter Mosfit 48 grass box? Yeah, I've probably got one of them somewhere. I'll have to have a quick look for you. Just bear with me.
You might have one. You'll have a little look. All right, cheers, buddy.
Well, while you're there, Mick, have you got any key rings spare? So I could do with one of them.
Yeah.
Have I got any key rings? Yeah, mate. No, I'm all out of key rings, buddy. Yeah, no, sold right out. You know what they're like? They're limited edition. Yeah, no key rings left, mate.
If you haven't got any key rings, I want a mug. Yeah, someone in the post when you're ready. Cheers.
No mugs either. No mugs at all whatsoever. Got none of them left, mate. No, sold right out. End of line, weren't they? Yeah. Have a look at them, Pete, and give us a bell back. Cheers, buddy.
Must be here somewhere. This. Oh, what we got here then? Ah. Hayter 48 grass box. Happy days. You never guess what, Mick? I've got this box Hayter 48 Mosfit. Yeah. When do you want it?
You've got one? Oh, absolutely fantastic. Tell us something, Pete, you're a lifesaver. I've been all over the world. Any chance you can just pop it down to us, mate, in the old post maybe, chuck it down. I'll cover the old post as like, you know what I mean? Is that alright? You're a star, cheers, Pete. Here, you haven't seen Riley boy about, have you? I've lost him. I don't know where he's got to. Alright, buddy, no worries. Take it easy. Absolutely fantastic. Got myself a Hayter Mosfit 48 grass box on its way in the old post. Cannot believe it. So hopefully that little lawnmower will be up for sale very, very soon. It's all up and running, fully serviced, and now it's got to have a grass box fitted to it and should be good to go. Absolutely fantastic. If this is your first time watching Micks Mowers, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all, and also you'll be told that way I've released another video, or am in fact on my weekly live stream on a Saturday night. Until then, people, don't forget, more importantly, take her easy.